Hey, I'm Mark Lambert here at the Sweet Spot of Mine Distributing Warehouse. We're going to show you a little something extra to add to your red box smoker. Have you seen a red box smoker? Hey, if not, it's a little brother to a backwoods smoker. It's just like a backwoods in that it's designed with a firebox in the very bottom, and it's separated from the cooking chamber by a removable stainless steel water pan, insulated outer wall, and reverse flow insulated water smoker. If you don't like cooking with water and you want to cook at a higher temperature, then it's real easy just to remove your water pan, and we make a really cool heat diffuser that you can adjust the pitch of the blades. You can get more direct heat from the very bottom, or you can make it reverse flow like it's supposed to, and it just acts as a deflector shield, and you can get higher temperatures, and it's great for cooking things like chicken wings, spatchcock chicken, any of those kind of things. So that's an option that you can get. Another option that we have is the BBQ Guru and the Flame Boss. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to install this adapter that allows you to plug up either the BBQ Guru, we like the Party Q for this one, you can use any of the Guru controls, but this is what they call a bulkhead inducer sleeve. This is a snap ring, and it comes at the smallest setting. So you take a pair of snap ring pliers and you can move it to the center or the outside depending on how deep your insulated firebox is. So for the backwoods or for the red box with the 1-inch insulation, it goes to the center section. So we move the snap ring from here just to the center section. It has a little jam nut on it. We're going to pull that off, and that requires a 1 3/8 inch hole. So we're going to take a hole saw with a simple drill, and we're going to install a 1 3/8 hole into the side of the red box, and we're going to try to put it in line. The firebox has these little holes. There's one on 3 sides of the firebox. We're going to try to line it right up close to where it blows into that hole inside the firebox. Again, 1 3/8 hole saw, and that is right here. That's all you're going to need to do this. Just make sure you get one that's designed for metal cutting. So what we're going to do is I'll remove these 2 guys, and I want to spin this so you can see it. So there's a little screw here on the bottom, and at this little screw we're going to go 1 inch to the center from that screw and 2 inches up. Now if it's off just a little bit, no big deal, but the measurement is pretty close. 1 inch off center, 2 inches up. It's about right there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just know that's about the spot that you should put it. So 1 inch over and about 2 inches up, right in there is about where this should go. So make sure you got a good battery. Start off with firm pressure. And we're through. You're going to have some insulation. You're going to have 2 sets, inner and outer wall, left in there. Just want to move that. That's going to be a little sharp. Again, you've got a jam nut and your inducer sleeve. Your inducer sleeve is going to go right through that hole, and you'll come to the other side and you'll screw the jam nut onto the back of it. And do it tightly. You want to make sure that it's on there nice and tight, because when you put your controller on there, you want to make sure that your controller doesn't move it. There's also a little silicone rubber stopper so that when you're through cooking that you can go ahead and shut the air down to your cooker and remove your controller or your fan. So if you're going to run the Guru, then this sleeve is already set up for it. It accepts it perfectly. It's got a little sleeve with a O-ring that pops right into place. You don't need anything else. It takes 4 AA batteries, and this will run your cooker at 300 degrees for 5 hours on 1 load of charcoal with water. So if you're running without water, it really only takes about 20 briquettes. You have to maximize, you got to minimize your fuel usage because you don't have water to stabilize your temperature. So only about 20 briquettes, but it'll run about 2 hours, but up to 400 degrees for 2 hours if you use good charcoal. That is. We love B&B charcoal. It burns a little hotter. It definitely burns a lot longer, and we know it'll give us 5 hours with water, 2 hours without water. That's the way it's set up for the Guru. If you like a Flame Boss, and we love a Flame Boss for Wi-Fi connectivity, but they make this nice little adapter, and it plugs right into that inducer sleeve. Why do we use two different brands? Well, because Guru makes such a good adapter. The Party Q is a great device, but we love the Flame Boss for its Wi-Fi connectivity, for the way it connects to the phone and your device and everything. So if you want to run a Flame Boss, all you got to do is get that little adapter. We sell those, Flame Boss sells them, and your Flame Boss just plugs straight into that little hole and you're ready to go. So if you love the Redbox smoker, you'll love the Redbox even more with the Party Q or the Flame Boss. Burns hotter, burns longer, makes your life a lot easier. Sweet Swine of Mine Distributing, we're here. Thank you for watching. Like our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to have a lot of fun. Thanks.